Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ankita Malik Arora. So today we are going to do Lohri makeup look. So today's vlog is gonna be a makeup vlog. Let's start with our skin prep. But first let me fix my bangs so that there is no makeup on it. First let us clean our face. So my face is already washed, but still before doing makeup, I always make sure that I have cleaned my face again with a wipe or something. So now moving on, let's start with our skin prep. I use this moisturizer for my skin. It's prescribed by my dermat because I have acne prone skin. So we are done with our moisturizer. Now let's move ahead with our primer moisturizer, Amaryllis cream. This is Primer Plus moisturizer. It works very good for my skin. In Amaryllis cream, I mix this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Normal to Dry Skin Primer. I mix it with this Amaryllis cream. Here, I mix it up this much. Always make sure whenever you're doing your skin prep, take time. Once you have used your moisturizer, wait, let it absorb. Do not just rush into makeup. Okay, so skin prep is done. For lips, I use this Iksu lip balm. To start with the makeup, obviously color corrector to correct my under eyes. Any brand that suits you, you can use that. So you can use it in your correcting areas, like any scar points that you have, any areas where you have your pigmentation, like here. I have my pigmentation area is this, around nose, around lips, under lips, and if any acne scars are there, you can also use it. Let's move on ahead with our foundation. So my all-time favorite, it's matte. So I use matte foundation. It works well on my skin. Okay, so we are done with our base. Now we are gonna move ahead with my contouring. Then I use my concealer. So I dab my brush in upwards direction, not down. I'm blending it in upward direction so that the lighter shade moves ahead above on my cheek area, because when I'll apply a blush, it will mix with it. Now I'll take my beauty blender and I'll blend everything up. So we have blended everything up. Now we'll do our concealing. always remember, after putting on your concealer, do not just start blending it right after. Let your concealer first sit on your skin, and then after a minute when it dries up, then start to blend it. You'll see how seamless your concealer will look. There will be no lines, nothing. So till the time it rests, what I do is I move on ahead with my blush. I'll put it up here. Here also I put. See, I made a heart. The trending heart for you guys. It's enough time. Now I can start blending my concealer. Okay, how I do it? First I do here. Then I move down my nose. Now I move ahead with this part. I use the concealer to cover my eyelid as well. I use dabbing motion again, okay, and I move it in right triangle motion. Now I do on my chin, mixing my concealer and blush. Now I'm going to move ahead with my lash. I move with my hands in the blending motion. See how seamless my concealer looks. No lines, nothing. And you know, this step helps in your makeup throughout the day. Okay, so we are done with our concealer, our cream blush. We are gonna move ahead with our powder blush because we have just used our cream one, so it sets very beautifully. I start with here and then I move to my nose area. Same thing here. I start with here, move on to my nose, I do my chin. So this is everybody's favorite. Now, the most important step. After I'm done with all this, I take my same beauty blender. Now I blend everything up. It helps in, setting your makeup. Your makeup blends together. There are no lines separately. Like see, separate line is visible. When I will use this, you'll see everything will be, in gradient, blended together. See, can you see any line now, which I showed you before? Can you see any line? Everything is blended. Okay, so we are done till here. Now the next step. Now let's first do our brows. So I'm using my Maybelline New York's Define and Blend Brow Pencil. Always comb your eyebrows in outwards direction, not inwards. Okay, it's done. Now I'm gonna fill my brows up. Always start filling your brows from ends and then move ahead, okay? Do not overdo it. Make it look natural. Always put strokes in the direction of your hair. So you're done. Now comb it. And we are done. So we're gonna keep our eyes lighter because we're gonna do a darker lip. So I'm gonna use my same blusher, place it here on my eyelids. I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution palette and I am using this shade here. This. I'm gonna place it at the center of my eyelid. this palette is such satiny in texture. It glides like wow. Okay, now I'm gonna take my brush, tip brush. I'm using the same shade that I used for my glitter one and put it on the inner corner of my eye. See? I'm going to use the same shade as a highlighter and place it under my eyebrow line. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna take Swiss Beauty's glitter liquid. I'm gonna take it with an angular brush. Take the stuff from it. Old is gold Lakme liner. It works for me. Does the wing wheel create with this? So it's done. Let's move on with our mascara. So this is L'Oreal Paris's Voluminous Mascara. My favorite part. Every girl's favorite part, I guess. Mascara is done. Let's move to the next step. Now let's set our makeup with the powder. Let's just set it up. This powder makes everything looks, so on place. So use it wisely. It prevents your smile lines also from coming. So it's done. Okay, so the next step is our highlighter, Maybelline's Master Chrome. See this? Before doing lips, always clean your lips first. No foundation, no concealer should be there. I always moisturize my lips after cleaning my lips. Lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics. So the liner is done. Shade done. Most important and my favorite part, gloss. So let's go for nude gloss. How do you like it, guys? I love it. Now the most important, sindoor. So how I apply sindoor, it's already there in my shorts. If you haven't watched, please go and watch and let me know how you like it. So sindoor is done. Setting my neck with the powder to match my face. Now using a highlighter to set it here, this area, wherever there is a depth. Now let's move ahead with the fixing spray. So we're gonna fix the makeup with the Sugar's Grand Finale Highlighting Setting Mist because it has glitter in it, so it will give me a shiny look. So let's go. Now I will use my beauty blender and I'll dab it again to set my makeup fixer inside my makeup so that my makeup absorbs this fixer because it is a spray, and also this has highlighter in it so it doesn't pop up. So let me come back and show you my final look with all jewelry and everything. Just wait, I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is my final look. So this is the jewelry that I'm wearing, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed creating this look with you guys. So do not forget to let me know down in the comment section below how you liked my look, and for my full outfit please head to my Instagram account and let me know how I'm looking. This was my first makeup vlog here with you guys, so do let me know if you liked it so that I can continue to make more of these with you guys. If you like this vlog, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Ankita Malik Arora. So bye bye, let's meet in the next one.